Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if the Draw tab is grayed out in your Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need to open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and you need to type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on a blank document. Now here if obviously we can find these ribbons at the top, all these tabs, file, home, insert, and the draw. Now click on the draw tab and here all the features of draw tab are being grayed out. We can't use the pencil, different types of pencil, the highlighter, the eraser, and obviously the ruler, and we cannot draw from here. So how can we fix this? It's because of the layout options or the type of layout that you have chosen. Now click on the layout options and then like for the view, you need to click on the view tab, but it is on the layout options. You have here read mode, print layout, and web layout. So obviously I'm choosing web layout. That's why the draw tab is grayed out. So go back to the view tab. It's from the view tab. And then you need to simply choose the print layout. Once you choose this, that will enable all the features on the draw tab. Click on that. And now let's see. Click on draw. And there you go. All the icons, all the features and tools for the draw tab has been or enabled and not grayed out. So that's it. That's how you can easily fix it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.